What's up, guys? Today we're here with Just for Fun Motorsports and we're going to be going over one of their builds. This thing is a beast.
How's it going? I'm Curtis from Just for Fun Motorsports. We're just going to go over some of the Jeeps we have at the shop right now. This is our Just for Fun Jeep, one of the ones we use when we go out. This is basically a 2008 JK that we've completely redone. It's got a supercharged LSX motor in it. Thing's amazing. It's got 700 horse. It's got the 6 LAD trans. It's got a 3.0 Atlas transfer case. It's basically an LSA supercharger on top of an LSX. The thing is awesome. It's amazing. Everything's custom on it, so everything you see, what we've fabbed and built and everything put together. This thing also has 14-inch King coilovers on it with 2-inch King air bumps, front and rear. It's got a G2 air-activated dual-rate sway bar. It's got long-arm suspension, 70-inch wide Terraflex Super 60 axles with 538s. Got we run the 40-inch BFG sticky tires on it. We did a full custom dash with an integrated iPad for gauges and everything on it. You know, we have the rear savvy bumper that's pretty sweet, gives you extra clearance. Tucks it way up, way close and way nice. This thing is a beast. It's amazing. Yeah, so this Jeep actually started on fire from the previous owner. The factory electric fan started on fire and it burned from here forward. So it was a perfect candidate. So we gutted everything electrical out of it, and then so it doesn't have any ABS, any traction control, any of that stuff. Pretty sweet. You can actually go through and even clear codes, and you can do a bunch of stuff with it. But this one I like because you can have your normal gauges and you can swipe over. You know, you can clear if you have a code or check codes, or you can do a whole bunch of stuff with it.
So is this an autometer app then, or?
This is an autometer. It plugs into your OBD2, and then you can work it off of any Android or like iPod or anything like that, or even on your phone. It's pretty handy. And then there's actually a GPS that goes right here, and then we're gonna end up recessing this into the dash, so then it'll be a finished look, because right now it's just stuck on the outside of the dash. So
cool. as we were, we're not the loudest ones on the block.
No, sir. Always something better.
Seriously. Bro, your neighbors always have to one-up you.
Yeah, they just did, didn't we?
We just got one up.
Yeah, for sure.
We thought we were cool. We just got one up by a freaking chopper. They're like, yeah, hey bro, can you come pick me up for work?
That's awesome.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and a huge shout out to Just for Fun Motorsports. They are an awesome team, top-notch fabrication. People come from all across the country, have their Jeeps worked on by them, and this build, Fireball, is an absolute beast. It is so crazy, perfectly done, lots of power, lots of flex, and Curtis has done some really amazing things in it, the Jeep. Gone up some really cool obstacles. As you saw in the video, we got some stuff there. If you guys don't know about Racing Anxiety, what we are is a non-profit organization. We help people with anxiety, depression, PTSD, TBIs. We help them get involved in the automotive industry, build a network, and overcome some of those mental challenges that we have. And if you'd like to get involved, check us out, racinganxiety.org. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and we will catch you guys on the flip side.